Hi, this is Lisa Piper with Hometown TV in Madisonville. I'm here at the Wittmer Clinic with Pediatric nurse practitioner Amy Haynie. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
I'd like to know, how long have you been a nurse practitioner?
It's been about 6.5 years now. I started out as an RN for, almost 16 years in the neonatal intensive care, and then I went back to school, and now this is what I do.
Now, I'd like to know what made you decide to become a nurse practitioner.
Well, I was a nurse for a long, long time. I loved taking care of babies. I loved taking care of kids. And it's just something I felt like I was called to do, and I think I do a good job at it, and I kind of relate to them. So we have a lot of fun.
So now you're here at the Wittmer Clinic, and what kind of patients are you seeing here?
Basically, it's all pediatrics. It's from birth to 21, and we see a little bit of everything. We see people for well visits, including all those new baby visits that you got to have. So 2 months, 4 months, and so on. We see 6th grade physicals, high school, and then we see sick visits too. You know, got a sore throat. I see lots of kids with asthma and allergies. That's pretty common in our area. Another thing with kids is usually ADHD. It's something that's brought up at a lot of visits, and I can help steer parents towards what's appropriate testing, what's not. You know, maybe what are those behaviors that are actually associated with it, what's not, and then even talk about medications and what you're on and help you get renewed or what have you.
Amy, could you give some advice to those mothers who may be nervous? They're a first-time mom. How do they establish care for their child?
That's a good question. It's actually okay if you just want to come in and talk to me ahead of time, because the baby needs to be seen almost immediately after birth at 3 to 5 days. So, you know, you can call us. We can just have an informal conversation ahead of time, and I can let you know kind of what's going to happen. And then you can actually request me from the hospital if they're asking who's your pediatrician going to be. Mm-hmm. You can say, hey, it's Amy Haynie, nurse practitioner, and I'll be glad to see the baby. And then we'll just make appointments. You know, when you've had the baby, you call us.
Now, the importance of vaccination. I hear there are some vaccines that are really important to get right now.
Right, especially even for your teenagers.
Really?
Meningitis vaccine is very important if you're a teenager. Even your 11-year-olds. So going into 6th grade, you need vaccines. Going into high school, you need vaccines. So it's pretty much a lifetime continuum, and it's really to protect your kids and your whole family.
How would you get an appointment here to see you at the Wittmer Clinic?
Just call us any day of the week. If you're just out and you need to, they call you from school, you need to go get your child, bring them on in.
Excellent.
We'll walk you in, we'll make a way, we'll take care of you.
Amy, could you tell us where your office is located and what your hours are?
Sure. We're located on 240 East Air Parkway, which is, of course, here in Madisonville behind Independence Bank and next to the Silver Star Restaurant. We're open from 8 to 5. We prefer appointments, but if you can't make an appointment, walk in. We'll get you taken care of.
That's excellent. Thanks for talking with us today, Amy.
Thank you.
Amy Haynie has over 20 years of medical experience and is now available for appointments here at the Wittmer Clinic in Madisonville.